Hi there and welcome to the second part of how to set a MIDI instrument up with our extractor software. So I'm just going to demonstrate how simple that is. So what we did in the first video, we talked about installing the drivers for the MIDI interface. Motu Fastlane and the UX16 were the two that I was using. Once they're installed, all you need to do is plug your MIDI in and MIDI out into your MIDI out and MIDI in on your instrument, and the USB plug into your USB socket. We've done that for both of our, actually we've got 3 instruments connected. We've done that, so now we're going to test that that works with Extractor. So we're here in the guitar lesson, so I'm going to open up Extractor for this particular exercise as a demonstration. The X5 is loading up nicely there. So what we do here, we've got the Extractor software. I'm just going to drop the mixing desk down. That's great. And what we've got at the moment is I think we've got Extractor playing through the sound card on the PC. Let's have a little listen to that. Okay, so that's working nicely. Now, when it's using the sound on the sound card, then it isn't playing or receiving information from an external instrument. So what we want to do is we want to connect up and to tie up the connections between whichever device we're wanting to use. I'm wanting to use the guitar, and I've got the UX16 connected for that. So when I go over here onto the right hand side of our software, we've got a set up your MIDI devices box on the setup box. So I click on that and it shows all the input devices, so my Yamaha UX16, Fastlane port A and Fastlane port B, and it also shows my output devices, so the sound from which I'm monitoring sound from. At the moment you see that it's highlighting the GS wavetable, which is the sound card built into my computer. But I want to actually be able to hear out of my guitar, and I want to be able to record into my guitar, from my guitar. So I'm using the Yamaha UX16 here, input and output. That's been selected and we're ready to go. So if I now strum the guitar, which I've got down here, you can see the lights flashing, that it's all connected up, and that will record into the computer, and that will then give me an analysis. So just to absolutely test that, I'll give it a quick record. I'm going to play the guitar there. Okay, the sound's coming from the guitar. I've recorded it. If I hit the analyze button, you'll see those chords that I've just struck, and you know that you're connected up and raring to go. So that is it. It's as simple as that. So once you've installed your MIDI interface and the software for that, it will show up in the setup dialog box. You then select the input and output device accordingly, and that will then enable you to record your performances into Extractor, hear them back, and receive your analysis. Okay, thank you very much indeed for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.